paramdam na kagad.
Pinto, bibigay kay Pesumal sa itak. Ginamit yung screen mula kay Mariano. 3-point shot and goal.
At sinasabi, kahit na nag-miss siya, getting rebounds.
Ball's gone down low. He was fouled. Was it before the shot attempt?
They see this new guys and parang nakakakita ng nakakaamoy ng dugo, hakatawag sa Leonard. Oh my goodness.
In fairness, medyo mataas yung hataw.
Medyo malakas yun.
Tsaka parang sa balikat na halos tumama.
My goodness, Nard.
Ayun lang.
Pinanggigilan niya eh.
Ayun lang. Flagrant foul, penalty 1.